Here we go. Route 28. Lovely time of year. Mid-July. Everybody comes up to the 80K, Old Forge, New York, camping resort all over. Go camping, and it's one of those weekends where everybody comes up, has hot dogs, hamburgers, steaks on the grill. You stay in your potato salad. Oh yeah, those are the good things. Oh, what we got going on here? Beaver Green. Sit tight. Could be some road work. Do. Look at all this traffic. Coming in, coming out. Good. We got some road work going on here, folks. Look at the line of traffic coming to Old Forge, New York, 2025 for the fireworks, the holiday weekend. We'll see if we can get you a sneak peek. I don't know how much you can see, folks, but there's a little bit of traffic. Now the Jeopardy song. No, don't need to do that. We're rolling again. Yeah, they kind of picked a silly time. They said they were going to have this done, but I'm not totally sure on this project. It's a bridge, pipe in the ground. I call it a pipe in the ground. I don't say it right. It's so water could flow underneath it. It's like a bridge. It's a land bridge. Culvert, something like that, I would call it. But yeah, I'm just going to take a look here. One day I did go through here in the construction about a week ago. They were on this side and they had both sides filled in. Then this morning, I did see one side on the right going here was undug up again. So I'm not sure what's going on with this on 28. I know maintenance has got to be done. Kind of like Jeopardy waiting for the song, Got a red light. I hate red lights. Oh, it's track 50. Got a Mustang blue behind us. Nice 74-degree day. Got the hatch open. Some hatch action. Yoda. A Jeep. A Chevy. Heavy Chevy. Another Chevy. Another Jeep. Wow, that's kind of a coincidence. Oh, another Yoda. A Kia. Bronco. Chevy. Ford. Subaru. Oh, another Yoda. The family van. Another F-150. Construction places are so much fun. Get the heavy bourbon, Chevy Suburban. I call them bourbon. Take out the S and put a bourbon. Oh yeah, here we go. He's hammering. He's ready to go to Old Forge. Oh yeah, all the road workers are out today. But wow, what a haul. Alrighty, folks. I just wanted to show you this little road work on Route 28. If you're coming up to Old Forge, you're going to have a little bit of a delay, maybe 5-10 minutes, depending on traffic. Yeah, there's more of them. Ford Jeep, Nissan, Acura. I guess that was, maybe. That was a Lexus? Okay. All right, folks. Please like and subscribe to the video. And please share it. I would highly appreciate it. And enjoy the fireworks tomorrow. And be safe.